Hello, my good followers, listeners, and dear patient little traders. How are you all? Hope all been fine and doing very awesome trading. Many guys request me kindly give us a back test video. So today our Hope Master version 3 just now we released this. The old one was Hope Master version 2 and now this one is version 3. I'm going to test this version. This is a netting account. I'm going to test this, and look here, let me select the M2 time period and the last month, the cash 500 and deposit is $50. Many guys ask me there is no robot which works on $50 deposit, so we have a logarithm based strategy which work on $50 startup. Okay, now let me show you how things actually work. And now I just click on start button. Strategy tester is started, and let me slow move how they will avoid spikes. Let me zoom and show you. Look here how many spikes comes here, and the boot just waiting and not opening trades. This is a good thing because this is a scalper and some feature of MACD and Rollinger one. And look here, the $53 is deposit, and look, scalping is started by minute 2 candle. And let's see how boot will handle the spikes. And look here, boot just realized that spike on way and it stopped the trading. Look here, a spike happened. So this is a strategy which is working perfectly. Look here, again spike, but boot just stopped the trading. Why this boot successful with $50 deposit? Cause not trading on spike, scalping based on opened candles of a trend like you guys now. The crush 500 always buy and the boom always sell. Look how many candles. This is the future of this boot. Look, once that boot confirmed there is no spike on way, they will start scalping. And look here, now is not trading. And we are waiting. Once boot realize there is no spike, boot will start scalping. And look, and spikes. And the boot just stopped trading. This is the awesome future. Kindly watch my video till end so you will understand what thing